What if you could summarize any book in just 15 minutes and instantly access the key insights that took the author years to discover? Today, I'm walking you through 15minutes.ai, a platform that's changing how we consume knowledge. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to supercharge your learning and potentially your income. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the platform, let's talk about why this matters. Knowledge equals money in today's world. Whether you're building an online business, creating content, or learning new AI tools, the more you know, the more you can earn. But here's the challenge. The average book takes 6 to 8 hours to read. Who has that kind of time? That's where 15minutes.ai comes in. Let me show you how it works. All right, we're on the 15minutes.ai homepage. Right away, you can see their core promise. Summarize any book and get comprehensive insights in just 15 minutes. That's the power of this platform. Look at this. You've got bestsellers from every category right on the homepage. Business books, self-help, productivity, technology, it's all here. Notice how they showcase the book covers? This makes browsing super intuitive. You can quickly spot books you've been meaning to read and get their key insights in minutes instead of hours. How it works. 3 simple steps. They break it down perfectly. Step 1. Choose from their extensive library. Step 2. Read or listen in just 15 minutes. Yes, any book summarized that fast. Step 3. Apply the insights immediately. Simple, clean, and user-friendly. This ease of use is what makes the platform so powerful. Latest and monthly picked summaries. They're constantly updating the library. You've got the latest releases and curated monthly picks. This means you're always getting fresh content and trending books. The AI technology section. Now, this is where it gets interesting, especially for us AI enthusiasts. Quickly generate concise summaries. The platform uses a triple AI-powered system to generate concise book summaries and extract key insights automatically. ChatGPT creates clear, concise summaries perfect for quick understanding. Claude delivers deep analysis for complex topics and philosophical books. Gemini generates fast, accurate takeaways with intelligent insights. This means every book gets distilled down to its core concepts. No fluff, just actionable insights you can apply immediately. But here's the game changer. They don't just rely on AI alone. Over 100 expert editors, every single summary goes through human review by expert editors. So you're getting AI efficiency combined with human accuracy and clarity. 10 plus years of experience plus 10,000 plus book library. This isn't some startup that launched yesterday. They've got over a decade of experience creating quality summaries, and their library has grown to over 10,000 premium books. That's basically a lifetime of reading available at your fingertips. Browsing and book variety demo. Let me show you the variety of books available. This is crucial because different niches mean different opportunities for content and learning. Business and entrepreneurship. If you're building an online business, you've got access to classics like The Lean Startup, 0 to 1, Modern Business Strategies and Marketing Frameworks, Technology and AI. For those of us creating AI content, there are books about artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital transformation, and emerging tech trends. Self-development and productivity. Books about habits, time management, productivity systems. All the frameworks successful people use. Perfect for personal growth content. Finance and investing, money management, investment strategies, crypto, traditional finance. Everything you need to understand wealth building. Psychology and communication. Understanding human behavior, persuasion, influence. Incredibly valuable for content creators who need to connect with audiences. And so much more. Health, leadership, history, science. Literally every category you can imagine. Search functionality. You can search for specific books, authors, or topics. Type in what you're interested in, and boom, instant results. Format options walk through. Now let's talk about how you can consume these summaries, because this is where the platform really shines with multiple format options. Read online. You can read directly on the platform. Clean interface, easy to navigate, perfect for focused learning sessions. Download PDF summaries. Need to read offline or save for later? Download the PDF format. You can build your own personal library of summaries and access them anywhere, anytime. EPUB format. If you use an e-reader like Kindle, you can download summaries in EPUB format. Seamless reading experience on any device, tablet, phone, or e-reader. Audio summaries, listen anywhere. This is my favorite. You can listen to audio summaries while commuting, working out, cooking, or doing other tasks.
The alarm pierced the darkness at 5 a.m. and Sarah groaned, reaching to silence it. For the 10th morning in a row, she'd set this ambitious wake-up time, and for the 10th morning, she was about to hit snooze.
It's like having a personal narrator for every book. Whether you prefer reading or listening, 15minutes.ai has you covered with complete format flexibility. Learn the way that works best for your lifestyle. Important. Note, all summaries in English. Here's something worth mentioning. All summaries are currently available in English. And honestly, this is actually a huge bonus if you're looking to practice or improve your English skills while learning valuable insights from books. You're getting two benefits in one: learning knowledge and strengthening your English comprehension. Pricing and value. Let's talk investment. Here are your options. Monthly, $9.99. Perfect if you want to test it out. Full access to 10,000 plus summaries, all formats, premium support. Yearly, $59.99. That's $5 a month. Best value if you're committed to consistent learning. Works out to the price of one coffee per month. Lifetime, $129.99. Pay once, access forever. If you're serious about long-term growth, this is the smartest choice. Think about it. One physical book costs $15 to $30. Here, you're getting unlimited access to thousands of books for less than the price of a single hardcover. The ROI is insane, especially if you're using this knowledge to create content or build skills. Practical use. Here's how I'd use this platform starting today. For content creators, pick 3 to 4 books per week in your niche. Each summary becomes a video idea, Instagram post, or newsletter topic. For skill building, learn frameworks from business, marketing, and AI books. Apply them to your projects immediately. For efficiency, instead of spending weeks reading one book, consume 20 summaries in the same time. Knowledge compounds faster. The link is in the description below. Head to 15minutes.ai and choose your plan. Start with books in your niche, take notes, and turn those insights into content or action. Remember, the person who reads 100 book summaries will have more applicable knowledge than someone who reads 10 full books. It's about smart learning, not just more learning. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. And if you end up using this platform, let me know in the comments what books you're starting with. Link in description. Let's level up together. See you in the next one.